Hey everybody, my name is Julian. Today I'm going to be reacting to SFM, Wario Dies in a Car Crash. There are different ones of this, but I am reacting to a Source Filmmaker one. This one is Supersonic Bros 23. This was made a month ago, and I hope you enjoy it. Oh, is that the, I guess that's Wario. Oh yeah. I think his chin is a little bit too up. Oh my god. Oh my. Wow. Okay. Well, I know it wasn't long, but it was fast. Alright. Well, my name is Julian Roberts, and I reacted to SFM Wario Dies in a Car Crash. If you want to look for the video yourself, I'm sorry, you're just gonna have to search it up. The link will not be in the description, because I can't do that yet. But if you liked it, punch that like button and push the notification bell and subscribe for more videos. My name is Julian Roberts, and I hope you like it. Bye!